Hi, I'm Creasy Kami and you are watching Creasy Kami channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day and are ready for some fun content.
To make the paper, Squid Game cards. Known as Ddakji, Ddakji enus, you need 2 rectangular pieces of paper 1. Prepare the paper. A 4/letter paper. Fold the paper lengthwise into thirds to create a long, narrow rectangle and cut it. If using a 2:3 ratio, fold the paper in half lengthwise to create a strip of 3 equal squares. Fold the top corner of your rectangle down at a 45-degree angle to form a triangle. Fold the bottom corner up at a 45-degree angle in the opposite direction. Your paper should now look like a parallelogram with 2 pointed ends. Do this for both pieces of paper. 3. Assemble the Ddakji. The cross. Place the 2 folded pieces on top of each other in a cross plus shape with the centers aligned. The fold over. Fold the triangular flaps inward one by one, moving in a clockwise or counterclockwise circle. The lock. For the final flap, tuck the point into the pocket created by the very first flap you folded. This locks the card into a sturdy square.
Today's craft is now complete and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed following along with this tutorial and that you feel inspired to create something wonderful today. Thank you for watching and supporting my content. For more videos and to stay updated with my latest posts, please subscribe to my channel right now.